Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to how to log in YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Zopa Bank, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for Zopa Bank, login in Google. Now right after that you'll be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you need to click on it, and you'll be redirected to official login page of Zopa Bank, where it is asking us for our email and our password. Let me show you an example. And once your credentials is done, click to sign in securely. And once your credentials is done, click to sign in securely, and you'll be able to log in. And by chance if you have forgotten your password, you can simply click on set new passwords on the screen and complete the formalities, and you'll be able to log in. So basically this is how you can log into Zopa Bank, and if you still encounter any issue during the login process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.